On lesson 40, you already learned how to edit a PDF file. So today you will learn how to edit a picture file. So first, you will take a picture of your file. You can take a picture of a flyer like I did. So this is the picture that I took. I upload to my Google Drive, and then I'm going to right-click my mouse. Then I'm going to open with Google Docs. So that's what you are going to see. It takes for a while. My Wi-Fi is slow because I have many people in my house using it. So you can see this is the picture file. And then if you open with Google Docs, majority of the document from this flyer, it will display here. So I can do any modify on the file. So you can do the same thing. You can take a picture of the flyer. And then second file I want to show you is, this is the file that I took a picture from a textbook. So again, I'm going to right-click my mouse and I'm going to open with Google Docs. So taking for a while. So you are going to take a picture of any textbook or any picture book, workbook. So then you are going to open with a Google Doc, upload to your OneDrive, upload to your Google Drive, and then open with Google Doc. Again, you will see majority of the text from this picture was written down here, so you can save a lot of time to retype the information on the picture. So this is about today's lesson. I hope everyone stay healthy and safe.